Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into a topic that has been buzzing around the financial world cash rewards programs. More specifically, we're going to be comparing two popular options: the Gold Rewards card and the Navy Federal's Credit Union's cash reward card. Now, if you're like most of us, you want to make sure that your spending works for you. So let's go ahead and figure out which one might be a better fit for your wallet and your lifestyle. First up, let's talk about the Go Rewards card. Now, this card often attracts customers with its exciting cashback structure, allowing you to earn a flat rate on every purchase. Now, who doesn't want to earn while they're spending, right? But here's where it gets exciting: the eligibility requirements. Now, to qualify for the Go Rewards cards, you typically need a credit score in the range of 650 to 750. Now, I know what you might be thinking: why does your credit score matter? Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a report card to your financial history. Now, the higher your credit score, the better your offers. But if your score isn't quite there yet, or if you are still in the process of building your credit, do not freak out. The Go Rewards card provides a decent entry point for those in the 650 credit range. Now, as you guys can see with the Go Reward card, this credit card is best for people with a busy lifestyle, dining out, average to excellent credit, as we did just go over. For the rewards structure, you can earn 3 times points at restaurants, 2 time points on gas, and 1 time points on everything else. You can also redeem points for cash, travel, gift cards, and merchandise. No limits on the rewards you can accrue. Rewards never expire while your account is open and active. Also, you can get a low intro APR for 6 months from account opening on purchases. They also have a rate on the lower end. You're at 14.29 or 24%, and on the higher end at 18%. But this is also based on credit worthiness. For the annual fee, there is a $0. And when you are comparing your credit card or any credit card, you want to make sure that you're looking at your current credit score. So a higher credit score increases your chances of being approved for a credit card. Also, annual fees. Some credit cards require a annual fee to keep the account open. Cards with annual fees often come with premium benefits or lower interest rates. You also want to look at your terms and conditions. I cannot stress this enough, making sure that you are reading the fine print of any credit card. So, your terms and conditions, the terms and conditions for each card you're considering, will list interest rates, ranges, annual fees, if any, and other important details. And also your annual percentage rate, which is your APR. Now, the lower the APR, the less interest rate you will have to pay each month if you are carrying a balance. Also, you want to look at the perks. Different credit cards will have different perks and benefits, such as cashback rewards and travel discounts. Consider which perks best fit your lifestyle. And also approval. So if you worried or if you are worried about being denied, you can see if you pre-qualify for a Navy Federal credit card with no impact to your credit score. Now, if you want to apply for either one of these, the Cash Rewards card or the Go Rewards card, I will recommend that you hit the apply button right from here, because if you go to see if you are pre-qualified, it will send you, of course, to another page where it's going to basically approve you for whatever card fits your credit score. Now let's go ahead and switch gears and take a look at the Navy Federal Credit Union Cash Reward Card. Now, this one often is praised in personal finance circles, especially for its straightforward cashback structure. Now, with this card, you can earn a 1.5% cash back on all purchases, which may not sound groundbreaking, but here is the kicker. Now, there are more flexible credit requirements. Now, Navy Federal Credit often extends offers to applicants with credit scores starting as low as 580 or 600. So that means if you're working on rebuilding your credit, you have a solid shot at getting approved. Now, again, this card is for someone with a lower credit score. Now, as you guys can see, this card is great for people that do enjoy getting cash back, everyday spending, cash rewards plus, very good to excellent credit, cash rewards, average to good credit. Now, they do have a reward structure where you can get cash reward plus unlimited 2% cash back on all of your purchases. Cash rewards unlimited 1.5% cash back on all of your purchases. And you can start redeeming your rewards as soon as you earn them, which you can learn more about at the Cash Rewards Plus Facts page. You can also redeem points for cash or statement credit. No limits on the rewards that you can receive. Also, rewards never expire as long as your account is open. They also do have a special offer right now. So if you spend $2,500 within 90 days of account opening and get rewards with $250 bonus cash, plus get a low intro APR when you transfer a balance within 60 days of your account opening. Okay. Now, further APR rate on the lower end is at 14.90%. Now, the higher end, of course, 18, but like I did mention with the first credit card, this is all based on credit worthiness. And as of now, there is a $0 annual fee. So, do I think both of these cards are amazing? Of course, I do. I definitely love Navy Federal. I am a Navy Federal fan for sure. And I also do bank with them. I just love their banking products as well. And I do have a few of their credit cards. So these credit cards, especially the cash reward credit card, can definitely help you to build your personal brand. All right, so how does these two cards stack up in terms of cashback? Now, with the Go Rewards card flat rate, you will earn 1% back on everything unless you're using it for categories with higher returns. Meanwhile, the Navy Federal card offers a straightforward 1.5%. Now, if you're someone who spends regularly for groceries or gas, the Navy Federal card takes a lead. Now let's talk limits. The Go Reward card generally has a higher credit limit available. Some users have report limits reaching up to $10,000 or even higher, up to $50,000. Okay. But that does not mean to get carried away with things. Just remember, with a higher credit limit, it is also a responsibility. Okay. You want to make sure that you are spending within your means. Now, it can truly help your credit utilization ratio if used wisely. Now, in some contrast, the Navy Federal card typically starts a bit lower with limits around $2,000 to $5,000. But don't underestimate it. Now, having a lower limit can also be beneficial if you manage your expenses well. Now, after all, it's not about how much credit you have, but how you choose to use it. Now that we cover the basics, let's talk about my take on this. Now, if you're someone who just starting out on building your credit or rebuilding credit, I'll lean more towards the Navy Federal Cash Rewards card. Now, as I did mention, as far as your credit score, make sure before applying your credit profile is unlocked and available. I also think with the Navy Federal credit card, the opportunity to build a long standing relationship with Navy Federal is not just something to overlook. It's definitely important, especially when you are banking with Navy Federal, just because I believe that they have fantastic options when it comes to banking products and for business products as well. Now, on the other hand, if you have a strong credit score and enjoy the benefits of larger credit lines, the Go Rewards card may suit you well, especially if you spend heavily in various categories. It allows for potential rewards to grow faster if you leverage correctly. So, you guys, what do you think? Which card aligns better with your financial goals and spending habits? It's important to not just look at the numbers on paper, but to also look at how each option fits your lifestyle. Now, if you found this video comparison very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are exploring their cash rewards options as well. Remember, every decision regarding credit cards should reflect your unique situation and goals. So do your homework, look at your spending, and choose wisely. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to hear from you down below in the comments. If you have any of the Navy Federal products, make sure you comment down below and give me your honest opinion. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.